We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. Asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know.
Hi guys, igama lami SITHSABA. If it's your first time here, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. We are in Durban. Oh, we inverter.
Guys, where are the lights for the rooms?
They should be by the wall. We're in Durban. It was my birthday and my bestie's birthday on Thursday. So, why are you weird? You're so weird. It was my birthday and then my bestie's birthday Thursday, mine was Monday. So we're in Durban for Iyama Pokopoko and the birthday. We just made it one event. So yeah, exciting times ahead. People are making a noise. I can't even speak. Ha!
Sorry.
We just came back from the shops. Kudala sifikile in the morning. I had to work, breakfast, but we're from the shops now to buy some snacks and we're going to change. We're going to dinner. So yeah, let's go change. I'll probably show you guys the place as well. We are at a B&B in Umhlanga. Beautiful 3-bedroom apartment. Amazing. Just across what's this? Oceans Mall. Yeah, red is in blue. It's really nice. Durban is nice, and for sure also it's gonna be even nicer. Enjoy the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share to your people, and yeah, and that's all. Bye bye. Oh wow, I want the time to Woolworths, Shein, the combo yam, set. I'll be carrying my Steve Madden purse, and then fragrance will be the Sashi. I'm gonna ask my friends to then I should be good to go. Yeah. I think alam yon dulu. So full view. If I was still in my area, I was gonna wish, what's this? Heels, but not anymore.
Didn't happen like that. It took me a minute to notice it. It was holding me back. It's time to move on to bigger things. Can't live in the past. Moving on to future me. I wonder who she will be. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always.
Good morning. It's a new day in Durban. Today is Saturday, I think the 18th. Could be wrong. Yeah, I think it's the 18th. We are up. We're going to breakfast. We're going for breakfast at Radisson Blue, which is like just here. Yeah, and then there's a lot that we're gonna do, and a lot of chilling as well. There's so much noise. But good morning. I just want to say good morning, at least in Tete, and introduce this day. Otherwise, yes. Good morning, and good morning. A beautiful light and a brand new.
It's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Thought that this was who I was, that I couldn't change that much. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transit.
We're done at the mall. We're just gonna explore Umhlanga kancane before match time. Let's go.
5 hours till game time.
Is it 5 hours? 11. Sizohamba ngo 3. 3:30 latest. we are back at our place. But we're back at our place. I need to iron my hair. But we're back at our place, and we're just gonna chill and relax. Uzi is going to do her hair. So yeah, it's just gonna be chilling. One thing I love about this place is it's a daily clean, daily service. What's this? Airbnb. One of the reasons why I chose this one, because so it's it gives hotel housekeeping services. But yeah, we're back. I'm tired. Ezihlangu are not walking friendly, even though because we went from Oceans Mall and then Saya Mhlanga Rocks, which is literally a street away, and then Sanyuka says up. Zonga and Dawa actually a street apart, so you cross the street, you get to Oceans Mall, then you cross that street, you get to Mhlanga Rocks. It's a beautiful day. A normal person will go to the pool, diamond relax, and I'll just relax, maybe good balcony, or maybe say pool in one. But yeah, Durban is nice. Before we prepare for Springboks, and then I need to iron them. My hair, I'll do a little soft glam. So going to soft glam, you know, be cute, because we're planning to go out after for drinks, you know, vibey. I mean, you can't be in Durban and not experience Durban groove-ish vibes, not club but groove setting. So yeah, hopefully we will. I'll just check on TikTok in Dawo, that's not too far. Yeah, let me open my throat, because Simge Hotel actually, oh yes, review of the Radisson. We went to the Radisson Blue for breakfast. It was really nice, Shem. From the service, the food. It was a breakfast buffet, and then after that we went shopping. There's something that my friend said is a gateway, right? Who needed snacks, Nihlango, I don't know, but we went to Willie's and then we went to Checkers. So so say Gateway is about 5 minutes away compared to Oceans Mall is literally a walk across. At I say Gateway siyothenga ngoba msusizoya Oceans Mall for shopping. Gateway uyathenga, you know, apa you shop. Funny enough, because ukhona Woolworths apa no ezinto besiziyele Gateway actually ndibona namhlanje bazikhona, because there's a Checkers here. We need a Checkers liquor. There's a Checkers liquor here and there's a Woolworths here, but further up we are I think a new entrance or something. Milan. But yeah, Saya a Platinum. Upper it's called, so the floor where they are like your Gucci's, the luxury stores are called Platinum Walk. Gemma A Santin Ingwood Diamond Walk. Upper it's Platinum Walk. That's nice. It's really nice. I love this color. It's given grown up winter, you know. I really like it. It suits my hands very, very nice. But ke nami ke ndingumuntu onezandla ezinhle kakade. I mean, kwakhale ndifaka iyandifanela whatever color that I use. Ibandle. I'm really gaining weight. This bona up. My hands are full again. I'm blabbing. But right, while we were going for breakfast, I was like, but it wasn't as petty into them. The running, can't prioritize ukutya more than ubaleka, because I thought I'll vuka early, go for a jog, because nice, like it's a nice area to jog. Like I was about worried. Sana P just can't vuka mna ndihlamba ndamandiyotya. I'm low-key judging myself, but I'll lock in. So I'll lock in again. I'll be what if you go August, I'll really lock in gym. For now, I'm just living for now, ne? Yeah. Goodbye. This is what I got from my cohorts. Got a shoe. They sent it's fetishy, so.
Running fast from the way it was, jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike.
2,000 years later.
Trust a process that leads to our soft glam. I'm a ticket rate on Ticketmaster. What venue? What in? But we're having problems with Ticketmaster tickets, and so I'm basically they are paid. We have the emails of confirmation, everything, but we don't have the actual tickets in our wallets. But we're sorting that out. That's why I'm going to remote before yeah, that's better. I need something to drink.
Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love.
It's so much good. I just broke my nail. It's in color.
All that I got, this is in pages. Not gonna lie. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me.
We are walking to the stadium because obviously traffic. Let's go. It's past 4. The match starts 22:6. Yeah. Exciting times ahead.
Introduce him to that life, hit them strictly with the vibe. It's a vibe, they a dance, let him watch. He a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
It's well, concrete, how it go. Holidays, she only doing what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Got a day coming for sure.
Remember the ticket issue? Yeah, booyah. But Foul play. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so sorry in the noise. I'm at the balcony, but I come bearing bad news. The vlog is coming to an end. We are leaving. Today is Sunday. The 19 is about 8 o'clock. We are heading out to the airport. And yeah, Durban has been fun. Yesterday the rugby was so easy, even though we seen some mistakes, a lot of mistakes actually, but it was so good. The match, obviously, the energy, the vibes. We came back and then we went what's the street at the Oceans Mall. Went to different places. They were fun, Shem. Then we came back around about 1 I mean, Salala. But yes, Durban has come to an end. It was a beautiful stay. Very short, but we kumnand. I must extend it for at least like 4 days. But yes, let's go to the airport. Thank you so much if you're here at this point. Thank you so much, Retuna. If you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing and like this video. Possibly share it with anyone who may find it interesting to watch. You know, I mean, who wouldn't? This is goodbye. Nisale kahle emakhaya. Singithanda nonke emakhaya. Sawubona. Saphila njani wena?